In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate around Khan Academy in order to do the assignments that you've been given. So on the left-hand side here, you will see a column, and I actually have got all my classes listed here. But let's go to Mrs. Gill Math 7A class and click on Assignments. And then you'll see a list of everything I've assigned, and you'll see at the top the most recent ones are today. There are 4 due. This is actually Sunday, March 29th. And I have attempted 2 of them. You must go ahead and answer all the questions in order to get a score. So I have tried 2 of these. Notice that I can try them again and try to improve my score. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to combining like terms. Now I've already started this one, but I didn't finish it. So it's going to click on, when I click on start, it's going to take me to the quiz, but you'll see it's going to take me over here to the 5th of 7 questions. And so I'm going to go ahead and answer this question. It's 5x minus x, which is 5x minus 1x. Well, 5 minus 1 is 4, and x goes there. And so I go ahead and click check, and I got that one right, and I click that I'm going to the next question. Now I have 8z plus 12 plus 3. I'm not quite sure how to do that, so I can click watch a video or use a hint. And you can watch a video, that's a little bit more time consuming, but you can also just get a hint since it's a review problem. And the first hint is I'm supposed to combine the 12 and the 3. And positive 12 and positive 3 gives me 15. And so really this hint gave me the final answer. So I have 8z plus 15. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit check, and of course I know that's right, and it encouraged me that I improved. But when I click the next question, you'll notice that I have a gray dot, which means since I asked for a hint, I'm not going to get credit on that problem. But I'm going to go ahead and do the last problem. This one, I'm going to combine my t terms. 5t minus 1t is 4t, and then 10 minus 4 is a positive 6. So I'll put, you can use the plus key on your computer, or you can use the plus key they gave you here. And I'm going to do plus 6 and hit check. And I'm now going to see my summary. Oh, joy. I got 5 out of 7 correct. So now I'm going to go up here to my dashboard. And it doesn't say that I've done it, but if I refresh my screen up here on the left, I'm going to click that, and it should come up that I have done it. Yes, I did it, and I got a 71. Well, I'm not real happy with any of these 3, so I think I'll do those again before 11:59 tonight. So that's basically how you navigate around in Khan Academy.